nearly 70% of BIM projects still run into major coordination problems. Delays, rework, cost overruns, and the worst part, most of these issues are 100% preventable. So today, we're breaking down why BIM coordination fails so often and the exact steps you can take to make sure your next project doesn't become another statistic. No clear BIM execution plan. Imagine starting a trip with no map, no itinerary, no one knowing who's driving. That's what happens when a project begins without a proper BEP. Teams start modeling immediately. Architects naming elements however they want. Engineers using their own LOD interpretation. MEP adding elements with no approved guidelines. So when the models are finally combined, you get misaligned grids, inconsistent levels, duplicated elements, and a coordination nightmare that could have been prevented with one document. Siloed teams and poor communication. Even though BIM is supposed to be collaborative, many teams still work like it's 1998. Architects update the model. MEP adjusts duct routes. Structure shifts a beam. But these updates go into emails, phone calls, WhatsApp messages, and suddenly there is no single source of truth. So when the coordination meeting happens, boom, half the clashes are caused by old files, outdated models, or assumptions no one verified. Weak clash detection practices. This is where a lot of projects slip. Some teams run clash detection once a month. Some only rely on Revit's basic interference checks, which miss functional issues. And some run clash detection, but don't assign owners or deadlines. Think about it. Finding a clash is not the same as resolving a clash. So clashes. Repeat every week, get ignored, get buried, or blow up in construction. All because no one tracked them properly. Uneven BIM maturity levels. Here's a real scenario you've probably seen. One team uploads beautifully structured IFC models, another uploads a Revit file full of warnings, missing families, and incorrect LOD. Now you're coordinating two completely different quality levels. It slows down the entire workflow. The low maturity team pulls everyone backward. Over-reliance on software instead of process. Many teams think BIM software automatically prevents mistakes. It doesn't, but if naming conventions aren't followed, models aren't checked, elements are placed inaccurately, people don't know how to collaborate, then even the best software can't save the project. Software amplifies your process. If your workflow is weak, your results will be weak. Stakeholders join too late. This is a classic cause of massive rework. Architecture finishes 90%, structure finishes 90%. Then MEP says, okay, we're ready to start. But by then, the spatial coordination is locked. Ducts have nowhere to go. Pipes pass through beams. Equipment rooms become too tight. Late involvement creates avoidable clashes that take weeks to solve. Start with a robust BIM execution plan. A good BP is not optional. It should define detailed and specific guidelines for how BIM will be executed throughout the rest of the project. It focuses on tasks, scheduling, and resource allocation. When everyone follows the same playbook, coordination becomes predictable. Adopt a common data environment. Use platforms like Autodesk Construction Cloud or BIM 360 to centralize data and promote real-time collaboration. A CDE ensures that everyone is working on the latest version of the model and reduces version conflicts. Run regular clash detection meetings. Schedule weekly or bi-weekly clash detection sessions using NeighborsWorks or Autodesk Construction Cloud. Review and prioritize clashes based on severity, then assign each clash to specific team members to ensure accountability and consistent follow-up. Make sure all resolved issues are documented to maintain a clear progress trail. Implement BIM standards and protocols. Use established standards like ISO 19650 to govern data management, model development, and collaboration. Consistency in file naming, object classification, and LOD definitions helps improve clarity and reduces errors. Invest in training and upskilling. BIM is constantly evolving. Regular training sessions for your team ensure everyone is up to date with the latest tools, workflows, and industry standards. Encourage BIM coordinators to obtain certifications and attend workshops. Take your team's skills even further with Interscale's training programs. Interscale is a BIM/KD consultancy specialising in Revit training, ACC Collaborate Pro courses, and BIM Managed Services. Each program is fully tailored to your workflows, project requirements, and team maturity, helping your organization adopt BIM with confidence and real measurable efficiency. Visit interscale.com.au to learn more about how we can support your team's BIM journey.